told me, talk big thank you, Baba God, Almighty God, creating this land of Melanesian, people of Melanesian, from Sorong to Samurai, and then we acknowledging all media, all journalists come along attending kissing out all get a story and a statement, thinking long struggle long West Papua. Me talk with thinking through long Papua New Guinea Union for Free West Papua can facilitate Free Papua movement can outing democratically long outing thinking na statement long struggle long West Papua because you may all get a survey also me no got place, me no got chance, me no got opportunity can talk about right the West Papua people in West Papua. All get media, all Indonesia, all blocking, and then all get one kind report of human rights abuse in West Papua, and then military fight conflict between West Papua National Liberation Army and TNI, Indonesia military, and still all blockades all media in all one region of West Papua. So this opportunity, we talk big thank you straight long. All brothers of Papua New Guinea, as a government of Papua New Guinea, democratic country of Papua New Guinea, you got big experience can implement in democratic way like Bougainville referendum and Papua New Guinea can exercise it democratically. So we got big opportunity and chance to talk about struggle na issue statement long West Papua. We talk people thank you through long all Motu Koita, Lenonas long Port Moresby, can allow me lo this time can talk out long political statement long me. Alright. In the perspective of history, West Papua, according to United Nations Resolution 1514, Dutch government been colonializing West Papua and then all been granting independent long West Papua 1st December 1961. Long this time we call him as an embryo of nation. Government long Netherlands, according to international law, resolution of United Nations, all providing all get attribute law nation. We play that national anthem, we play that constitution, we play that parliament, we play that all get something law conducting nation law Mipla. From that, after 10 years, inside law that constitution, Mipla must declare it independent. So from 1st December 1961 to 1st July 1971, government of West Papua representative of all leaders of West Papua, Mipla been declaring also West Papua as a one nation. 1st July 1971. From the 1st July 1971, Mipla looking also because interest of economic in West Papua, because capitalists only got all looks away also. West Papua you got plenty gold, copper, oil, mineral, and timber, and all get something. And then all can conducting one plus secret agreement. People are calling also New York Agreement. This New York Agreement all been signing long New York 15 August 1962 without all West Papua. People not been start, not this time. All conducting, all signing this agreement without West Papua and then all working edge of free choice, but Mipla West Papua are calling also edge of no choice. In Bahasa, Mipla calling also pepera, penentuan pendapat rakyat. So time all conducting this edge of free choice in West Papua, population of West Papua this time about 800,000, same like Papua New Guinea. Suppose people conferring long population long estimation of population of West Papua and Papua New Guinea long 1969 and 8,000 and 8,000. But this 8,000 on West Papua Mipla 800,000. 800,000 all including Mipla long can go through a democratic right of voting. By gunpoint, Indonesia allowing only 1,026 West Papua can vote. So Indonesia all manipulating this process. So Mipla calling actual no choice in West Papua 1969. So military, Mipla looking, Mipla West Papua, Mipla looking also government already established. according to international law. But and then international conspiracy, because only got interest on economy, and then all conducting this act of no choice in 1969, and then if we look in this situation now, according to 1st July 1971 Constitution, all elders, all representative of West Papua, Nipla, Bonim, Wampla military wing. Inside law, OPN, Free Papua movement, according to 1st July 1971, and then chapter 105, Mipla Kamapim military body, Mipla Polimusen, West Papua National Liberation Army. This was West Papua National Liberation Army and been born long 26 March 1973. So 26 March last time me come out in media statement below me. Already me come out in media statement below me, and then me talk also 48 struggle, gun to gun, life to life, blood to blood. So this life struggle now Mipla facing now Mipla go through 48 years military West Papua National Liberation Army, one time Indonesia military Mipla still fight up until now. In the record of human rights, about more than 500,000 Indonesia army on killing Mipla. Mipla fight one time something Mipla that. Mipla that Mipla believe for them. This la fight Mipla defending right lo Mipla. According to ideology of Melanesia, according to ideology of West Papua liberation. So that time Indonesia President Joko Widodo with Indonesia military all calling Mipla also terrorists, all calling Mipla also criminal. I am as a chairman of OPN. We can talk clear long international community, United Nations, and all the countries are supporting West Papua struggle. We West Papua National Liberation Army and Free Papua movement, we are not terrorists. We are not criminal. We fight for our justice. We fight for our right. We fight according to Melanesian ideology. Mipla like liberate long antap lo land lo Mipla. Mipla sawe also Indonesia you coming in Papua New Guinea is you are as a criminal. Indonesia you are as a terrorist. You have network with Al Qaeda. You are Muslim terrorist. But West Papua we are Christian. We know value of people. We know value of ancestor lo Mipla. We know value of nature lo Mipla. So we are not terrorists. Again, we are not terrorists. We are freedom fighters. We fight for our right. So, on behalf of West Papua people inside and outside, we are now our population about 3 million. 1969 we compare with Papua New Guinea 800,000. But Papua New Guinea gratefully also Myanmar's country Mipla can come also long far 10 million people population. But West Papua we are now is 3 million, including West Papua community in Papua New Guinea, in Australia, Europe, and America. So that's what me talk big thank you long media. You can capturing this statement lobby. Long this me can talk also any law long Indonesia or like implementing West Papua and special autonomy law and all like Brookie Megan Narapla regency in West Papua, even Igatupla province, Papua province and West Papua province, but all like Mentally Megan Gold Semlo 6 province. This law Indonesia implementing West Papua is all illegal law according to international law. Because West Papua independent finished and then all occupied West Papua is illegal. So 48 years West Papua National Liberation Army Mipla Bayun Naf Saranda, Mipla Bayun Naf Suruk, Mipla still fight up until well organization, well authorities can recognize and admitting West Papua as a one nation according to international law. Long this time, one important statement, one important thinking, we like talk style of President Joko Widodo, President of Indonesia and government of Indonesia. Suppose you are Indonesia, you are a democratic country. OPM 2019, I, Mr. Chairman, on behalf of West Papua struggle, we come out in finish statement also. We go through law international round table negotiation, law solving this conflict between Indonesia and West Papua. Indonesia, you cannot hide. You cannot hide the backside, dropping all military, organic and non-organic, about 56,500 military below you staff lo West Papua. Mipla West Papua, Mipla na Fusuru, Mipla by still fight more than you. Mipla need justice. You as a democratic country. OPM, we are ready. Talk with you long international round table on negotiation. So you opening heart, you opening your government democratically talk with West Papua in international round table in perspective by United Nations law. We can repeat lo Islam bahasa. Perjuangan bangsa Papua, perlawanan antara Tentara Nasional Indonesia dan Tentara Pembebasan Nasional Papua Barat telah mencapai 48 tahun. Senjata melawan senjata, nyawa melawan nyawa, darah melawan darah. Pada saat ini, saya sebagai Ketua Organisasi Papua Merdeka, penanggung jawab politik OPM, saya menyatakan kepada Indonesia, Presiden Joko Widodo, dan juga pemerintah Indonesia, untuk membuka diri Anda, kita berbicara secara demokratik di kancah internasional, melakukan perundingan internasional. Mengapa Indonesia dengan Aceh bisa berunding di Helsinki? Mengapa Indonesia tutup diri tidak bisa berunding dengan OPM? Kami siap berunding. Jokowi, Anda dengan pemerintah Anda siapkan diri Anda untuk kami bicara dalam internasional konteks, perundingan internasional. Terima kasih. Thank you. Okay, Mr. Rosen, Indonesia you can talk on them. Aceh lo Helsinki lo after the external negotiation lo fight lo Indonesia and Aceh. Why not you talk with West Papua lo international same kind of way? You as a democratic country, you must implement it democratic way. Thank you very much. Maybe that's our question.